Lecture number 4. Manufacturing Engineering. Equipment and Tools. Mr. Sayed Sardorbek. Spring Semester 2020. Contents. 1. Samples of equipment and tools. 2. Control and adjustment of manual equipment and machinery. Number 1. Samples of equipment and tools. Tools fall into 3 general categories. A. Cutting. B. Shaping. C. Assembly and fixing. A. Cutting tools. Cutting tools are used to remove surplus material during manufacture. Some trimming tools may also fall into the cutting tool category. The materials from which cutting tools are made must have the properties of hardness in order to maintain a keen cutting edge, but with sufficient toughness to prevent chipping. They must be easily resharpened or disposable. Starting with the simplest cutting tools, the picture shows A. Samples of shearing machines. B. Shaping forming tools. These are tools used to change the shape of materials without cutting them, for example forging dies, extrusion dies and plastic molds. The tablet forming devices used in the pharmaceutical industry can also be considered as a type of shaping tool. Some typical sheet metal forming tools are shown here. C. Fixing and assembly tools. Fixing and assembly tools are used on components and products to join, assemble or secure in some way during the manufacturing process. Some typical examples are shown in here. Number 2. Control and adjustment of manual equipment and machinery. Manually operated machines need continuous setter or operator attention. The controls have to be adjusted in order to process materials to the desired quality specification. For work where very precise measurements are not necessary, as in clothing manufacture, sheet metal work and woodwork, patterns and templates may be used for guiding the initial cutting out operations. Engineering operations are generally of a more precise nature and the operator may work to accurately scribed lines for one-off prototype components. Where greater accuracy is required, the scribed lines are only a guide and dimensional control relies upon the micrometer dials of the machine controls together with precision measuring instruments such as micrometer and vernier calipers. Control and adjustment is not constant. It is only required when the machine produces components that are approaching the dimensional limits or are in danger of drifting outside the desired specification and quality standard. Some machines can be adjusted whilst they are running adjusted in process. They may also be adjusted after a pilot run. The final adjustments being made after the product has been inspected and the machine allowed to settle down. Controls that need to be adjusted whilst the machine or equipment is in operation are positioned so that there is no need to remove guards and no risk to the operator. Such controls are sometimes referred to as in-process controls. During machining or operation the tool may wear and have to be changed and some minor adjustment made as a result. This is a normal part of manual machine or equipment operation. Typical examples of the parameters that may require adjustment during the operation of manufacturing plant and machinery are shown in here. Summary. Please take a note this lecture to your draft. We will ask it. If you have any question, you can ask in our Telegram group. Follow the lectures. Thank you for watching.